If you could use an AI agent to build apps, automate tasks, generate code, and create income without any technical skills, would you try it? In this video, I'm reviewing Replit Agent 3 Income Mastery with PLR, and this one is exploding right now. Stick with me because I'll show you exactly how it works, what you get inside, and the massive bonus vault waiting for you when you use the link below. Here's my honest take. Replit Agent 3 Income Mastery with PLR is a complete business in a box for anyone who wants to sell an AI automation course, teach it, or use it themselves to build digital tools and income streams. It's one of the most polished PLR packages I've seen in a while, especially for something as hot as AI agents. So what exactly is Replit Agent 3 Income Mastery with PLR? This is a ready-made training package that shows people how to use Replit's newest AI agent to automate coding, create apps, launch digital products, build tools, and generate online income without experience. It removes the biggest objections beginners have, like not knowing how to code, how to automate tasks, or how to build a digital product from scratch. And because it includes private label rights, you can rebrand it, sell it as your own, add it to your membership, use it as a lead magnet, or even turn it into a high-ticket coaching program. It's built for beginners, freelancers, creators, entrepreneurs, and anyone who wants to tap into the booming AI automation market. Now let me walk you through how it works. Imagine you're inside the members area. The first thing you see is the complete 5-part video training series. Each video breaks down a core part of using Replit Agent 3 for automation, app creation, and income generation. Next is the professionally written 121-page training guide. This guide explains everything step by step in simple language, from automation workflows to digital product creation to monetization models. You also get audio files for on-the-go listening, raw video files if you want to customize the course, PowerPoint presentations for webinars or coaching, a high-converting sales page, a sales video, graphics, mini sites, banners, email swipes, legal pages, social media graphics, chapter images, and more. Everything is laid out in modules, and all you do is download, rebrand, and upload. No tech skills, no product creation, no headaches. Let's talk about the optional upgrades. The front end is only $12.95 with full PLR rights. Upsell 1 is $37 with 50% commission. This upgrade gives you premium assets and additional materials. There is a downsell for $32.95 if you want to save a bit. Upsell 2 is $11.95. Upsell 3 is $37 with another downsell at $32.95. There is also a membership option, $1 for a 30-day trial, then $27 a month. And finally, the high-ticket upgrade, the product creation service priced at $3,000. These upgrades are completely optional, but they add more value and allow you to scale your PLR business even further. Now here's where this gets even better. When you pick up Replit Agent 3 Income Mastery through the link below, you're getting access to my exclusive bonus vault. These are premium tools and plugins designed to boost your traffic, conversions, email list, engagement, and profits. Here are just some of the bonuses included. Bonus 1, WP Slideshow Master. Create high-impact slideshows that boost engagement. Bonus 2, WP Swift Page Plugin. Speed up your site instantly. Bonus 3, Lead Book Generator. Connect Facebook lead odds to your autoresponder instantly. Bonus 4, WP Email Timer Plus. Add countdown timers inside emails and pages for higher conversions. Bonus 5, Conversion Equalizer. Improve AdWords conversion ratios with proven methods. Bonus 6, Article Analyzer. Optimize your articles for better rankings. Bonus 7, Auto Support Bot. Add an automated live chat to your website. Bonus 8, Affiliate Marketing Drive, a complete video course on mastering affiliate marketing. Bonus 9, Keyword Research Ninja. Find profitable keywords across 6 major platforms. Bonus 10, WP In Content Pop-Up Pro. Create attention-grabbing pop-ups inside your content. And that's only a fraction of what's inside. The full bonus vault contains dozens of plugins, tools, software, video courses, and premium training designed to skyrocket your results. These bonuses are worth thousands, and you get them all free when you use the link below. Here's my final verdict. If you want a plug-and-play income asset in one of the fastest-growing markets in the world, Replit Agent 3 Income Mastery with PLR is the easiest one you'll find today. You can use it, sell it, rebrand it, bundle it, or turn it into a full course. But my bonus package is limited. I'm only giving these bonuses to a small number of buyers, and once the limit is reached, the bonuses will be removed. If you're watching this, the link below is still active, but it may not be for long. Click the link below to get Replit Agent 3 Income Mastery with PLR and secure all the bonuses before they expire. If you found this review helpful, give the video a like, leave a comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more reviews and make money online tools. After you purchase, check the bonus delivery section on Warrior Plus or email the receipt if you need help accessing your bonuses. Thanks for watching. Click the link below now.